Hey everybody, this is Jarrell Taroche with Danella Realty, and I'm shooting this video to help you use the Orange County Property Appraiser's website to find information on the owners of a home. This is useful if you're an investor looking for flipping houses, maybe finding rentals, or if you're a buyer looking for your dream home, you found it, and you want to get in touch with the owner to give them an offer to purchase it. Or if you're just nosy, that works too. So the first step is go to ocpafl.org and you're going to look for this property searches button. And when you hover your mouse over it, it'll open up a couple of options. You want to use map search. Okay. Once you click on that, it's going to open up a tab that looks similar to this one. It'll probably zoomed out really far so you'll be able to see all of Orange County. But you want to look at this right bar over here. I don't know if you can see it, but right here you'll have a drop down on the far right that will give you a search by address, by owner, or if you have the parcel ID, you can use those as well. So once you input an address, or you can just zoom in, find your address and click on it, this right side will populate with the information of that property, the information on the tax on the tax roll, basically. So you will be able to find out the name of the owner, which is right here. We'll be able to find their mailing address, and if we look at Homestead, we'll be able to find out if they're considering it their primary residence or not. Now this works in anywhere in Orange County, Florida. So how can we use this if we're an investor looking for homes to flip? Well, maybe you drove past a property and you saw that it's in a little bit rough shape and looks like it's vacant. Well, you'll be able to use this to find out the owner and find out the mailing address on file for them so that you can reach out to them and send your offer to buy the property. Now, in this case, it looks like it's some kind of organization that owns it, but if we find someone with a name, like this case, you know, here we have Jose Rivas, we'll be able to use a system like maybe Been Verified or something similar to use the name and maybe the mailing address on file to find a phone number for this person. So that way you can reach out to them by phone and maybe have a little better luck than if you were to send them a snail mail. So if you have any other questions regarding this, you can always reach me. I left my contact information in the description below, and I'll be more than happy to help.